Do you know that you can add ramen powder and noodles to cold water to cook it? Oh yes, here's how to do it. You need 400 ml of water, around 100 ml less than the packet instruction. Why less? Because we're going to cover the lid and will not open it till the end. If you do not have a measuring cup, I'll teach you how to measure without one at the end. Add water to a pot and add ramen powder and noodles. Bring it to a boil and cover it. Set the alarm for 5 minutes and do other things. When the alarm rings, simply come to the boiling pot and off the fire. If you're using a steel pot, you need to add 1 more minute, so set the alarm for 6 minutes. Your ramen is ready to eat. My noodles are slightly uncooked, but that's the way I like it. Al dente, people. It has a bit of firmness inside and that's perfect. If you do not have a measuring cup, add everything to a pot and then pour water. When noodles start floating, stop pouring water. That's 400 ml of water you're looking for. More explanation are in the description. 안녕!